So one of the hottest parts of our market right now is that acreage market under $2 million that's between Millerville all the way north to north of Bearspaw on the west side of the city. We are right in the heart of that with this one. When I first walked through this house, I went, wow, this thing is going to be an amazing home to have the opportunity to market. This is 18 Deer Springs Close in Springbank. What strikes you as you make your way through that front entrance is the open to below circular staircase that goes up to the second story. It is really, really grand. And this is more of a traditional plan where we've got off to the right as you come in, an office that has been set up with custom cabinetry for 2 workspaces and a seating area in the turret area of this home too. And that turret does go the full height of the house, and it actually complements the upper floor primary ensuite, which we'll get to in a second. And it actually has a cheater door into the 4-piece bath that's on the main floor. Now, on the other side of the staircase is a formal dining room that has been decorated like crazy. It's got beautiful wallpaper on the ceiling. And that leads to the butler pantry that's been built out with custom cabinetry and wine racks and leads into this spectacular kitchen. A custom renovation was done in here several years ago. It is amazing. If you like to entertain, if you have big family functions, this kitchen is perfect for that. Now, on the rest of the main floor, it's been renovated as well. We've got hardwood floors throughout. We've got a beautiful family room that is open off of the kitchen and through the nook. It leads out to your deck as well. This is just an amazing family home. So let's go upstairs. We've got 4 bedrooms up. And the primary bedroom overlooks the backyard, which is where most of the acreage is here. There's a beautiful pond back here. We've got a lovely playset area for the kids. We've got a separate fire pit, tons of trees, and lots of landscaping has been done here. Now back to that primary. Big walk-in closet. You've got a large 5-piece ensuite, and then the other 3 bedrooms upstairs are a really good size. We're gonna head down to the basement, and it is a walkout. It is fully developed. You got a beautiful fireplace and built-in bookshelves in the family room area. There's a space to build a gym and an awesome games room that is big enough for a pool table, card table, anything you like in here. If you like ping pong, that would fit in here as well. There's a wet bar for entertaining downstairs. One of my favorite pieces of this house happens to be the steam shower in the basement as well. This thing is amazing. If you get a little workout in and then you get to get in the steam, absolutely awesome. And then there's a 5th bedroom down as well. Oh, and I get so wowed with this house, I almost forgot about the garage. There's a triple garage here, fully heated. If you're a car guy, there's loads of space, high ceilings in here. You can put a lift in. If you got teenagers with cars, there is plenty of parking, and it also includes a parking pad on the other side of the 3-car garage. This is just a spectacular property. We're on just over 2 acres in North Springbank. This is 18 Deer Springs Close, and we would love to show it to you. So if you'd like to book your own tour, all you have to do is call or text us anytime. The number is 403-207-1748, and you can find out all the rest of the details on our website at krgroup.ca.